Parthenocissus quinquefolia, known as Virginia creeper, Victoria creeper, five-leaved ivy, or five-finger woodbine, false grapes, five leaves, American ivy, thicket creeper, wild woodbine, is a species of flowering plant in the grape family, Vitaceae. The plant is native to eastern and central North America, from southeastern Canada and the eastern United States west to Manitoba and Utah, and south to eastern Mexico and Guatemala. It occurs statewide, typically being located in open areas of ravines, valleys, rich woods, thickets, rocky bluffs, hillsides and fence rows. Virginia creeper belongs to the same genus as the Boston, or Japanese ivy. Genus name comes from the Greek words parthenos meaning virgin, as in Virginia, and cissus translates as ivy. Virginia creeper is, truly, native to Virginia but is not true ivy, so this part of the botanical name is misleading. Meanwhile, the species name, quinquefolia, refers to the 5 leaflets of which each of the leaves is comprised. Virginia creeper is a fast-growing, perennial, woody vine that grows about 20 to 30 meters, 66 to 98 feet, tall. The plant is found growing in deciduous woodlands, woodland borders, thickets, gravelly seeps, limestone glades, rocky bluffs, fence rows, and walls of buildings. It can adapt to disturbed habitats in both rural and urban areas. It prefers acidic soil, and tolerates a wide range of soils from dry sandy soils to moist loamy soils. The plant is also salt-tolerant. The species is cultivated as an ornamental in many moist temperate areas of the world. New stems are brownish-green and finely hairy but gradually acquire pale, raised dots and turn purplish-brown with age with branched tendrils that end in adhesive discs. Bark is gray-brown, becoming coarsely hairy due to aerial roots and tendrils. When rapidly growing, the aerial roots are bright, orange-brown. Twigs are orange-brown, finely pubescent with pinnately branched tendrils ending in adhesive discs. Leaves are alternate, palmately compound, containing 5 elliptical leaflets per leaf with coarsely crenate to serrate margins. Leaflets range in size from 2 to 6 inches and have toothed margins. Leaflets are elliptical to nearly diamond-shaped, usually widest at or above the middle. The leaflets are red when they first emerge but turn green as they mature. In the fall, leaves turn a bright red to maroon color. The upper surface is usually dull green though may be shiny when young, sparsely to moderately stiff hairy especially along the veins. The lower surface is somewhat paler and usually short hairy. Leaflet stalks are usually hairy. Flowers are small, no showy, greenish, produced in inconspicuous clusters on long stems in late spring. Flowers are about 1/4 inch across, greenish-yellow with 5, occasionally 6, oblong elliptic petals that are boat-shaped at the tip and initially spreading then become strongly bent back, reflexed. In the center are an equal number of stamens with creamy yellow tips. Flower stalks are up to 1/4 inch long, smooth to sparsely hairy, green to reddish. Flowering normally occurs from June to August. Fruits are small hard 4 to 6 mm diameter round blue-black berry that usually contains 2 to 3 seeds and is carried in small bunches like grapes. They are borne in long-stemmed clusters maturing in late summer. Fruit ripening occurs from August to October. These berries contain oxalic acid, which is moderately toxic to humans and other mammals. The berries provide an important winter food source for birds. Root, bark, twigs, fresh leaves, berries and resin of the Virginia creeper plant used medicinally. Fruits are hidden by the foliage and are often not visible until autumn leaf drop. Please share and subscribe this video.